Hello Enchanted ones. Today I will be showing you how to create a Samhain tea party that isn't just good in looks, but will leave your guests feeling magical. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like to see more videos like this. But for now, relax and keep on watching. Colour is extremely important to me as it can change our mood and get us synced with the right emotions. For this Samhain tea party, I will be focusing mainly on one colour, purple. Purple or violet is a colour that is very popular during Halloween or Samhain, as it can allow us to channel our highest senses. Whether it's used for divination or connecting with the spirit world, it can make us feel mystical and magical. Purple is found a lot in autumn foods, and what better way to connect with it than through food? This leads me to my first creation, a recipe I have been using for years, black velvet cupcakes. They are black velvet due to the blackberries you'll use. I first melted chocolate with butter, stirred in sugar, 2 eggs, boiling water, self-raising flour, chopped up 150 grams of blackberries, and nestled them within the cakes. It should make 12. To make the topping, I simply mixed butter, cream cheese, and icing sugar, not forgetting that important colour. I coated the cupcakes and then added a final touch of a blackberry. They are so worth doing, trust me. I can honestly say it's a foolproof recipe. Along with these, I wanted something savoury that was again purple. I chose a savoury sandwich cake, something that can be mistaken for sweet, but it is actually savoury and extra special. For this sandwich cake, I found ingredients that were in season and mainly purple. I first made a cream cheese butter to act as your butter. To make this, I used equal parts cream cheese and sour cream. I then added the juice of a beetroot to colour it the majestic colour. I then chose my first layer, and I chose apple and Gouda cheese, a beautiful combination for autumn. For the second layer, I chose salad, which consisted of radishes, lettuce, and tomatoes. And for the third layer, I chose beetroot hummus, more beetroot that was finely sliced, red onion, and tomatoes. I then coated the whole thing in the cream cheese mixture and decorated it with parsley and the different fillings I used inside the cake. It is really fun to make and such a wow at any tea party. I then moved on to a recipe that was not quite purple, sweet apple crisps. I finely sliced 2 pink lady apples and then added sugar and cinnamon. Cinnamon as well as the colour red are known for their grounding properties. It is a great energy to balance out all of the purple foods, perhaps something to serve at the end of the tea party to bring your guests' energy back down. After the food was complete, I of course added some final touches to the room, which I made into a dark forest last week. If you haven't seen that video, the link will be in the description. I also added a Christmas tree, but remember, it's not a Christmas tree, it is a dark forest tree, nothing more, nothing less. After this, I added a few more foods that were dark and of the purple tonality. Vegetable crisps, red grapes and red grape juice, and of course something a little bit different, roasted pumpkin seeds. Now the preparation was complete, I got dressed to become my best self. And the Samhain tea party was served. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching Enchanted Ones. I appreciate your support so much. Let me know what you think of the tea party in the comments below. Would you have the savoury sandwich cake? Also, do let me know if you have any other suggestions or ideas you would create for your own Samhain tea party. I love to be inspired by you all. All my love, Alwyn.